So that's funny. I actually forgot to hit start broadcast, and I was just sitting here talking for like 6 minutes, and I was like, "Why is that not showing up there?" Because I have the preview supposed to hopefully be playing, and I was like, "It's not showing up," which is weird. Which means I may have to start and stop because it's not showing up. It's not coming up. Yeah, I do have to stop it. Okay, hold on. Give me a second. I'm gonna switch over real quick. Oh. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I totally forgot that I didn't hit stop broadcast. Start broadcast. I didn't hit start broadcast. And so it was using the old feed from the previous Cipher. All right, so I'm just going to keep it moving, basically. So, all right, so I was talking about my whole. It was a good thing you didn't hear my rant because I was going through this whole situation on how Google kind of trolled me when I looked at my VM instance. I logged into my Google Cloud account because I wanted to work on my new side project, and it was like, hey, save $4 on your VM instance. I'm like, that's weird because it's already the cheapest one. I'm just testing this out. And it was like, yeah, shut down your VM instance and save $4. I'm like, oh, that's messed up, Google. So cool. Then I was talking about the camera that I'm looking to use, and I've been using for other like live stream events. It's the Mevo, and I have it there charging and setting up and everything. So I was during the last work session, I was doing that, and so thrown off. But yeah, so I'm working on that. But like I was saying, I ran into some issues because I was using another camera. Well, one camera that I was looking to use, it didn't work for whatever reason. Like it says it's broadcasting to my server, and I can see it on my server, but there's no video feed, which is weird. So I don't know if it's the codec or something. I have no clue about these things. So I don't know. So I'm going to try. I tried it with another camera, worked fine. Tried it with my phone, works fine. Now I'm going to try it with a Mevo because that's the one I'll most likely be using for this side project. And so hopefully that will work. If not, I've been looking into other options, but I have a specific use case where I don't want, because the idea is for other people to be able to stream as well using the server. So I wanted to be able to have a control over the server endpoint to where the cameras can go into, and then I can redirect them where they need to be. But the previous one I was using required logging into like a dashboard and then setting everything up, and then you're able to do all that. And I don't want to do that, so that's why I was like, let me try setting up a server. But I've been running into some issues, at least like I said, with those cameras, and then some of them, like the audio and the video, would start to drift, I guess. So I don't know if it's because the server I set up is not like beefy enough or whatever. So I don't know. I'm just been experimenting, so I'm going to test that out to see if that works. If not, I've been researching other like providers that can kind of do what I was looking to do. So we'll see, but it's more expensive. So we'll see. We'll see. All right. So that's enough of me ranting. I just kind of wanted to show the new thing that I've worked out. So it shouldn't take long, but let me share my screen. So yeah, I've been doing that, and then yeah, it's working on that. Cool. Start share screen. Start share. I don't believe I need any sort of audio. Cool. So, like I said, during the last Cipher earlier today and this one, I added a new functionality to the website. And so you see here. So now let us go to untilit.works /videos. I spelled everything right? Here we go. All right, so here's the archive page of the website. You can also go there by just clicking videos, by going to the site. So now what I've added, you can see right here, it's all automatic. Like it just automatically uploads everything. And so here's the one that just happened early, like an hour ago. Now, look at this one. This is the last Cipher, from the last Cipher, the last session, break session. So you click on it to watch. Now you see there's the links mentioned section, because before, if there aren't any links, you see no links yet. And so when you do go to a video, so whenever I'm talking about stuff, I'll be like, oh, hey, make sure to check out the link section for the links that were mentioned in this video. And it's right there. So you don't have to worry about typing them out or anything. It's right there. Cool. Let me show the actual. Now here's show the my interface that I'm looking at here. So let me stop sharing this. And it wasn't that bad. It was pretty straightforward, because the way I have everything kind of set up is already kind of good to go. So it's just adding some fun. I just need to figure out where I wanted to place everything, like in the dashboard. So let me share my screen. Let me share this screen here. All right, which is this one. Cool. Share. Well, it might have some weird inception thing. Yeah, okay. So this is the dashboard that I'm looking at right now. And so, yeah. Let me see here. Okay, so yeah, so you can see right here, I have add a link section that I just added. So I could put in, let's go with the video site, since you were talking about that, which would be weird because you're going to be linking to the video archive from the video archive, but whatever. untilit.works/videos. I call it videos, right? Let me double check. Yes, videos, multiple. And then you can just add the link, and it shows that the link was added. And then I can just save the links. So I can add a bunch of them and then just save them all in one go to the database, because less writes and reads, the cheaper. And so I'm trying to bundle them all up together and send it at once. So I can save the links. Cool. And then it says link saved. So it saved it into the database. So once this video is done processing and it's up on the video archive page, it'll have the links. So yeah. And then also, I can't show it now, but you see here, I can actually view and edit the different sessions. And so if I need to go back, or if I forget to add the links, I can always go back and pull up the session and add it there. And so it'll show up on the page afterwards. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me stop sharing my screen. So yeah, so that's just another little thing I added to the site. If there's anything else that you find that, will be helpful, let me know and I'll get that added. But yeah, so cool. I think I'm gonna give you all some more time, because I really want to get back to trying to figure out this whole, see if this camera will go and stream to my server, because this is the type of camera, this one and maybe like another version that they have will be the version that I use for my side project. So I want to be able to make sure at least that one can stream to my server and doesn't have any issues. Otherwise, I'll need to come up with something else. So yeah, so I'm gonna get back to that. Thank y'all for hanging out. And yeah, again, this was a short video because I totally forgot to hit start broadcast. Now, like I don't have a thing that says started. I was such in a rush. Yeah, I want to get back to working on this. So hopefully, whatever you're working on, once you want to get back to it as much as I want to get back to that. So thanks for hanging out. Hopefully, it was a good break. See you back soon. And yeah, cool. I almost forgot to hit the create highlight video. See that? Oh, I'm a mess today. All right. So final Cipher is going to be going over an artist that I'm a fan of's website and listening to some music. All right. Cool. Thank y'all for hanging out. See you soon. 15 minutes after the hour. All right. Back to work. Here we go. Cool. Let me do the screen share so we can play the outro music. This one here. Cool. Thank y'all for hanging out. See y'all soon.
I want to say thank you for holding on. When a brother was down and out, now I feel so strong. And I want to say thank you for being there. When a brother had nowhere return to. You were there, and I feel like hero. And everybody says hero. We spread it love like hero. I wanna say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so